Ever wondered why garlic is useful for toothache? It's no secret that garlic has been revered as a potent natural remedy for centuries. From ancient Egypt to your grandmother's kitchen, garlic's reputation as a cure-all is deeply rooted in history. But it's not just folklore. There's real science backing this humble bulb's power. And one of its most intriguing applications? Combating toothache. It might sound surprising, but the evidence speaks for itself. So, let's dive into the science behind this age-old remedy. Garlic isn't just a flavorful addition to your meals, it's packed with health benefits, including relief for toothache. Now you might be wondering, what's the science behind this? Well, let's dive right in. Garlic owes its healing properties to a chemical compound known as allicin. This potent compound is released when garlic is crushed or chopped, and it's what gives garlic its distinct aroma. More importantly, allicin has powerful antimicrobial properties, which means it can fight off tiny invaders like bacteria and fungi. Now, what does this have to do with toothache? Well, the bacteria in your mouth are often the culprits behind dental plaque and tooth decay, both common causes for toothaches. So, when you apply garlic to an aching tooth, the allicin in it gets to work, reducing the amount of bacteria, and thereby easing your pain. But that's not all. Garlic also has anti-inflammatory properties. Inflammation often accompanies a toothache, causing your gums to swell and become tender. Garlic, with its anti-inflammatory action, can help reduce this swelling and further relieve your discomfort. Finally, garlic has been known to have pain-relieving properties. It's like nature's own little painkiller, stepping in to soothe your aching tooth and give you some much-needed relief. So, as you can see, garlic has some powerful properties that can help combat toothache. Not only does it add a kick to your dishes, but it can also kick your toothache to the curb. Now that we understand why garlic can be a potent remedy for toothache, how should we use it? Garlic's effectiveness lies in its simplicity. To harness its power, take a clove of garlic and crush it. This releases the allicin, that magical compound we discussed earlier, which helps soothe the pain. Now apply the juice directly to the aching tooth. The relief may surprise you, however, it's important to remember that while garlic is a natural remedy, it can still cause irritation if used excessively. Moderation is key. It's also a good idea to consult with a healthcare professional if the pain persists or if you have any concerns about using garlic in this way. So, next time you have a toothache, remember the humble garlic. Not only will it add flavor to your meals, it might just provide the relief you need.